Hello and welcome to this week's assembly. Life continues to be quite surreal where nothing feels quite like it should do. Each day we get up and do what we do, and we each have our own rhythms and routines driven by some underlying purpose. And at a time like this, it's really important for us to have those goals and ambitions. And if we believe the words of Alex Honnold, one of the world's most celebrated free rock climbers, no one achieves anything when they're happy and cozy, and that's certainly one that we can debate at some stage. But if we are feeling a bit flat and out of sorts, we need to think positively about what is just around the corner, and there is so much to look forward to. Well done to Evie Sharp for winning this week's photography competition, for her colourful contribution of these sumptuous delights. I do hope that you had an opportunity to eat these and not just to photograph them. This week's bake-off winners are Fenella Troughton, who made a stunning lemon tart beautifully finished with delicate edible flowers, and Fionn Hillman, who entered a delicious-looking ham, mozzarella and pepper tart. It felt right to award both a sweet and savoury option this week. Many congratulations to both of you. It's great to see so many pupils are still super active and recording their distances online, and really good to see some new names appearing in the top 20 and top 10 respectively. So well done to Amelie, Tom, Lorcan and Ben for their efforts this week. It's good to see the pupils from the younger years getting involved as well. It's quite staggering when adding all the weekly totals to think that we've almost travelled a third of the way around the globe, so keep going. It's been very helpful for your house parents to see how much physical activity you're doing, so do please keep logging your daily activities. Each pupil should be doing a minimum of 3 sessions per week, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any member of the PE department. The Lego competition this week is ideally suited to our budding engineers. We're looking for you to build a working vehicle. Entries to Mrs. Davis and Mr. Evans in the PDT department. The photography competition gives pretty free rein this week with the theme of abstract. The bake-off turns to souffle, and of course we have the ongoing arts challenges. Please do go to the Art at Home page on the website to stimulate your thought process there. And finally, we finish off with Michael's wonderful rendition of Chopin's Fantasy Impromptu. Have a great week.
Bye.